us in.
That's it, you could be pulling yourself along.
Oh, no pull us in. No pull us in. No. Ready?
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Good to go.
Ready?
Go.
Fantastic. Perfect. You're supposed to be screaming and shouting.
Woo!
No?
I did when I got to the top.
You rose to her in the end.
Alright, next
Got it
one.
on the camera.
Next one I'll yell.
You turn it.
That is cool. What were you saying up there?
You
pull
just
us in, no pull us in.
No pull us in.
Jenna said no pull us in for you.
you just moved the tree 2 inches, didn't you?
You can bend it, sing.
Come on, scream!
Bend it, bend it, bend it.
Geronimo!
Look at his face. That's the best of all.
He's like a little boy, isn't
Yeah, I
he?
know. I'm so glad we did this. Yeah.
Yeah, you do. It's fun.
That's a good ending to a nice vacation.
What do you think of that one?
That was cool.
That's good,
Nice
isn't
and
it?
long.
Smooth.
You get pretty low right there.
Is she coming down on her own? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Oh! He's spinning. She's holding on too hard. Don't hold on so hard. That's it. That's it.
That's what it's there for.
How was that?